Hello everyone, John from IT Skills Academy. In this video, we look at Windows 11 Insider Preview build 22,000.132. Windows has rolled out the first set of updates for several apps that come included as part of Windows 11 22,000.132. These updates are rolling out to Windows in the Dev channel first. This is not a big update, however, Microsoft looks like they have decided to focus on apps redesign in this update. The apps that have received redesigning and updates includes the Snipping Tool, Calculator, Mail and Calendar. So let's look at the Snipping Tool app. In this update, both the classic Snipping Tool and the Snip and Sketch apps have been replaced by a new Snipping Tool app that represents the best experiences for both apps in the next evolution of screen capture for Windows. You can be able to start the new Snipping Tool by pressing the Windows logo key plus Shift plus S. To make your first screenshot, you'll need to first of all come and pick a mode. So we have different modes ranging from rectangle mode all the way to free mode. I can just come and pick the rectangle mode and just come and pick or click on new snip, or I can simply press Ctrl plus N. So I'll just click on new, and this will display these specific tools here. So I can be able to change it from the rectangular snip to free form snip, or even the window snip, or I can even cancel it here. So I can just with the close just come and draw to screenshot the part of the screen that I want. When I'm done, I'll just release. So if you have focus assist enabled, you're not going to receive any notification, but if you have it disabled, you're going to receive a notification of the specific screenshot. However, you're still going to see the image or the part of the screen that you have a screenshot, and with that now you're going to see these tools appear on top. So this will just help you to draw on top of the image, and you can also be able to erase whatever you draw using the eraser. There's also the ruler and also the touch lighting, and they have also improved the cropping. So like if I can just come and click on it, you'll see now that I can be able to just come and crop the image like that. When I'm done, I can just come and click on this to apply, or I can zoom it out, or I can even cancel. So I just come and click on that, and that's how my image looks like. So on this edge, I can be able to zoom it out or in. I can be able to save it, copy it, or even share it. When I click on this, I can see that I have open file, open with, print and all that. There's also settings for the specific snipping tool. So let me just head on to settings so that we see what we have. So in the settings we have the shortcut. So like you can be able to change the shortcut that you'll be using to activate the settings app. There's also the auto copy to Clipboard, so by default to be turned on so that you can be able to access whatever you have screenshot from the Clipboard. There is also the save snips, like if you want to save your screenshot, so by default it is turned on. You might want to turn that on. So by default it is turned off, rather you might want to turn that on. There's also multiple windows, so each snip opens in a separate window. You can turn that on if you want. And there is the snip outline, so this automatically adds an outline to each snip. So if you want that, then you can just come and turn it on. And then there is appearance here, so up theme, and if you click on this drop down here, you can be able to choose from right to dark to the system settings mode. So if I can just come and pick on dark mode, we'll be told that you'll see your changes the next time you start the app. Okay, so that is the snipping tool settings. So of course, if you want to save the application, you can just press on this or just press Ctrl+S, and that is the new snipping tool. Of course, we hope that Microsoft will keep on improving it, but so far so good. The next application that has received updates is the calculator. So right now you can see the calculator has a new visual. It looks very clean. Right now, by default, as you can see, I'm on the standard. If I click on this hamburger, I can be able to see the different options. I have the calculator, which has the standard, scientific, all the way to date calculation. We also have the converter, which has the currency, volume, length, all the way to angle. So if, let's say for instance, I want to calculate dates, I can just come and click on date, and here I can pick the first date. Say for instance I pick on 3rd, so it tells me that the difference between the two dates is 1 week and 3 days. So I can also be able to check the graphing. So like if I click on graphing, let me expand this. So this is now how it will look like, and you can be able to enter your expressions here to be able to do the graph. The mail and calendar have also received an update, and as you're going to notice, currently I'm on the mail, and when I click on this hamburger, I can be able to get the various items that I have here. So the mail has a new visual look, and I can also be able to change the theme of this application. So I can just come and click on settings and then head on to personalization, and from here I can be able to come and pick the different colors that we have here. Or I can just come and pick a mode. So right now it is set to use the Windows mode. I can just come and pick the dark mode, and that's the dark mode. As you can see, it has a new visual look, and it also has the rounded corners, as you can see, to match the Windows 11 look. And if I head on to the calendar, so you'll also notice that it has the rounded corners. It also has the dark theme. Yes, and so it has that new visual. So if you head on to settings and personalization, again you can be able to come and pick a different background. So if you don't like the background, the default background, you can just head on to the background here and you can pick one of your favorites. So maybe I can just do this one, and you're going to see that being applied to the same. So if again I head on to email, I can also be able to do the same thing. So I can see that we have the new image background that I have selected there. So all this just makes the application look cool and nice. And as usual, Windows have also fixed some of the issues known to them in this update. I'll be providing a link in the description of this video to the Windows Insider blog, where you can see a full list of all those fixed issues in this update and those issues that Microsoft is working on. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can receive all these updates as soon as they are released. Thanks for watching, and as usual, see you in the next one.